Exactly.
Wake up! Are
we gonna be here for a while? Should I get him out?
I don't know how long. They have to finish a beer.
3 minutes tops.
If he's content, I'd leave him. He's looking at him.
See, every time you giggle, he looks at you.
He has this thing with socks. So, like, the fact that his socks are still on is a miracle.
Oh, yeah.
So, I wouldn't be surprised if he tries to, like, take his socks off.
I try to teach CJ that
like,
you have feet or whatever, and he still doesn't get it. Like, he'll touch them and he'll let go of them. He's like,
no, you can't hit.
Oh, they're holding me hands.
A lot of pictures of that too.
CJ's like, I don't get it.
CJ's like, I'm tired.
You need to calm down. You're gonna scare him.
Looking at your daddy, huh?
do you take some pictures from our camera?
I think ours is packed.
We can share.
Kid already weighs like 19 pounds.
Did you see Isaac's today, Jeanette?
Yeah,
14.5?
Yeah.
I looked at him last night.
I got it this morning. Actually this afternoon.
We've got some pictures of him like this.